I believe people should smile at each other more often. Hi, my name is Bryce Tubbs. A great story. Generally for me, whenever I want a situation or just a social environment to go my way, the first thing I do is I start smiling. So just like this, right? Just having a smile consistently. And what it causes, to happen, it causes other people who want to be happy to start walking towards me and to start conversing with me. That has led to a lot of opportunities, a lot of mentors, a lot of business partners, a lot of different things in my life have come from literally just smiling. So that's why if you're trying to grow your business, you need to be able to be in a great mood. You need to be able to smile at your clients on your consultation calls, so if you're doing it over Zoom or even if you're doing it on a phone call, because it allows people to feel your energy. They feel like you're happy to actually talk to them, and that's going to change your business, change your life. If you want to be able to grow faster, if you want to reach your goals a lot faster, go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's going to be a link in the description below. Have a great day. Talk to you soon and see you later.